We've just acquired this lovely Volvo XC60. It's the D4, finished in metallic grey. Lovely R-Design exclusive alloy wheels. Full R-Design body styling and interior. It's in absolutely stunning condition. It's coming at a main dealer in part exchange who supplied it, and we've just bought it off them. As you can see, it absolutely gleams, the bodywork does. Nice R-Design rear diffuser with the twin exhausts. Proper carpet mats, the load cover there. This is the half leather Alcantara trim. It's a special R-Design look. Electric rear windows. It's got full electric windows. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, auto headlights. Just start the car up. It's got air conditioning, climate control, DAB radio, 6-speed gearbox. It's the facelift model, the facelift interior, eco-range performance. Yeah, I forgot to say that it is the facelift model, as you can see from the front. A DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information or to arrange an appointment, please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.